Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. I recently found out you have to clean your makeup brushes once a week. These are my brushes, and as you can see, they can use some cleaning. So this video I'm going to show you all how I clean my brushes. There's a lot of reasons why you have to keep your brushes clean, and I'm going to go over those reasons throughout this video. The first step is to put you some warm water inside of a bowl. While the water is running, I'm going to go ahead and get into all of the reasons why you should clean your makeup brushes. The first and the most important reason is hygiene. Dirty brushes and sponges harbor bacteria, oils, old makeup, and dead skin cells. Cleaning your brushes helps prevent the buildup of these contaminants, reducing the risk of breakouts or infections caused by using dirty tools on your face. The second reason is maintaining makeup performance. Makeup buildup on brushes and sponges can alter the application and performance of your cosmetics. Clean tools ensure a smoother, more even application of makeup, allowing your products to work as intended. Once the water is ready, you want to go ahead and fill up your bowl with just enough water to submerge your brushes. The next step is to add in your liquid detergent. Also add in a little bit of bleach. Next, you want to place your brushes inside of the water. You want to make sure that you only get the bristles wet, but my bowl was pretty big, so the brushes fell in. Another reason is color accuracy. Dirty brushes can mix colors and compromise the true shades of your makeup. Cleaning them ensures the purity and accuracy of the colors you apply. After everything is submerged underwater, you want to go ahead and set a timer for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes have passed, it's time to go ahead and remove the brushes. What you want to do is take out the brush and kind of swirl it on top of your hand to get any excess makeup debris off. The fourth reason is extending tools' lifespan. Cleaning your tools helps maintain the condition of your brushes and sponges. It prevents bristles from becoming stiff, damaged, and extending their longevity and ensuring performance over time. I did have one stubborn brush that didn't come clean after the 20 minutes, so what I went ahead and did is put it back inside of the solution. As you can see, the brushes are now clean, and I'm very pleased with the outcome. Now it's time to just let them air dry. With the stubborn brush, I went ahead and switched it around inside of the solution to help release some of that makeup buildup that has been left inside of the brush. it's all nice and clean. This is the results I was looking for. This is how the brushes turned out once they dried. Comment down below what you think. If this video has helped you in any way, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And voila, looks brand new, right? This is the final results after the brushes have dried.